Are you wondering when to use either and neither in English? You're not alone. Let's clear up the confusion together. Right here at Lina English Studio. Welcome back. Imagine you're at a cafe. The waiter asks, "Would you like tea or coffee?" If you like both, you might say, "Either is fine." This means you're happy with any of the two options. But if you don't want tea or coffee, you can reply, "Neither, thank you." This means you want none of the options. Let's start with either. We use either when there are two options, and we're okay with both. For example, imagine someone asks, "Do you want to watch a movie or play a game?" If you like both ideas, you can say, "Either is fine." That means you don't mind. Both are good. Now let's look at neither. We use neither when we don't want any of the options. So if someone asks, "Do you want to watch a movie or play a game?" and you don't feel like doing either one, you say neither, thanks. That means you don't want a movie and you don't want a game. Let's practice. If I say, "Do you prefer cats or dogs?" and you don't like animals, what do you say? That's right, neither. Remember, either means one of two. Neither means not any. Easy, right? Try using these words in your conversations and leave a comment with your own example sentences below. Subscribe to Lina English Studio for more tips. See you next time.